Hi, it's Jill Annis, your non-judgmental, compassionate organizing expert. It's September 2018 and I'm celebrating 16 years as a professional organizer. So Simply Organized has been around for 16 years. Thank you for following me, for reading anything I've written. If you've worked with me, thank you. I am grateful. So a professional organizer is a different career, am I right? Some people wonder why I do what I do. Well, I enjoy helping my clients transform and thrive. That's what I do. And there are some misconceptions about our profession and what type of people we are as professional organizers. How strange are we? Well, we're not that strange. And we're also, for one, the first misconception, we're not perfect. I can't even say the word perfect. We're not perfectionists. I, for one, am not a perfectionist. Well, I do shoot these videos over and over. So in some regards I am. But my home is not perfect. You may see it's kind of bare. That's because I have no decorating skills. So it's a little bare, but it's not perfect. There's dog nose prints on the windows. There's dog fur on the floor. There's dirty dishes in the sink right now. There really are. I do not have matching containers for all my items. I do not have labels on containers. And my pantry is not full of clear plastic labeled containers with all my pasta and grains and nuts and things like that in it. I keep my things in the original packages. I do not decant them because I'm always wondering when they decant them and put them in those lovely containers, what do they do with the leftover stuff? There's got to be leftovers, right? If you decant, let me know what you do with that leftover stuff. Okay, so I choose, and I would like you to choose done or good enough over perfect. That's my advice for you. So we're not perfectionists. Choose done over perfect. Number two, this misconception is pretty common. We hate stuff. Professional organizers hate stuff. Not exactly. I have a different kind of relationship with stuff, possibly, than other organizers even. I do not value stuff so much. Sure, I like some stuff. I like clothing. I like, what else do I like? I don't know. I don't like a whole lot of stuff. And I'm sentimental, yet I don't hang on to sentimental stuff, a whole lot of it, maybe one or two boxes. I value people over stuff, and there's nothing right or wrong about that. That's just my personality. I don't get attached to things. So we don't hate stuff. We're all unique, right? We're unique individuals with our own version of what we value and what makes a house a home. So there's no right or wrong way to be. But here's my advice. Choose to create an environment that will help you thrive. So what does that look like? How much stuff is in that environment? What kind of stuff? And the third misconception is that we want our clients to throw everything out. So if I walk into your house, I'm going to say, that's got to go, and just toss it. No, that's not it at all. We allow, or I do, we allow our clients to choose what's important to them. My clients get to make the decisions about what to keep and what to let go of. And I encourage donating things that are useful and clean and not broken. I encourage recycling. So tossing is the last resort. Selling, that's another option, but it's always my client's decision. Now we're going to talk about things. If I notice you say certain words, I notice you say, well, I don't really like that, but I'm going to keep it. We will talk about that. We'll explore that because I do notice things that my clients are saying and they may not even catch it. And so we stop and we have a little discussion, and then again, it's always their decision. So what am I getting at? I want you to not toss everything, but be really clear about what your downsizing goals are, what you value, and what you're going to work towards. You don't have to toss everything. What do you want to work towards what kind of life do you want to create without necessarily tossing everything. So again, professional organizing is, yes, it's a different career, but I love it. It's a really good fit for me. I love being with people, helping them transform, helping them thrive. So if you're striving for a different type of environment, trying to make a change in your environment, I would like you to take one small action today, just a small action, a small step to help you reach that goal, get you closer to that goal. And remember, done is better than perfect. Progress is better than perfect also. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.